show. I agree with the cow.
Yeah, why are we singing a song about stupid cows? I mean, they're cows. Who wants to sing a song about cows?
We should sing a song about penguins.
But I like this song. I don't even want to sing this song.
Yeah, why are we singing this song? Animals, animals. We have an audience to please, so let's just sing the song so we can please the audience.
Fine, but I get a count. A 1,